So in this video, we're gonna get away from that cube shape and we're gonna go into rectangle shape. So I'm gonna go up 1/2, sticking to that same slope on this graph paper, up 1/2 to the left. But now I'm gonna go up vertical 2, 4, and 6. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, 2, 4, and 6. 2, 4, and 6. So I'm gonna go up 1/2, up 1/2, up 1/2, and up 1/2. So you can see what I have now is that rectangular shape. Now, I can do that in any direction. I'm going to stick with that same base of up 1/2 to the left. This time I'm going to go that 6, meaning up 1/2 3 times to the right, vertical 2, vertical 2, vertical 2, up 1/2 to the left, up 1/2 3 times to that right, up 1/2 3 times to that right, up 1/2 to the left. So we can see that 2 by 2 by 6. Now I'm going to continue and change my scale just a little bit. So I'm going to keep to that up 1/2, but I'm only going to go 1 square. So that puts me in the middle of that next square. I didn't reach the end. So now I'm going to go up 3. And again, I have to go up 3, but again, I'm ending up in that middle of that square. I'm not ending up at that nice end point. The slope is the same, it's just a little bit smaller of a scale. So now when you see we do that up 1/2 slope, we're ending in an odd number, so not that even number, so we have to end up in the middle of the lines. I can do that same exact shape going to my right side. So I'm gonna go here. Again, landing up in the middle of that line. I'm gonna go up 1 from there. Again, all of these lines here are in the middle of the lines, but we're sticking to that same slope. So here I'll use up 1/2, up 1/2. We'll go twice. Up 1/2, up 1/2. Up. The slope is going to stay the same here, but you're going to see that when I do this, I end up in that middle of the line. So I'm going to go up 2, or up 1, I'm sorry, and that up 1/2 to the left, but again, we're in that middle of that line. So what we're doing here is we're drawing rectangles in different scales, so when we do our drawings now, we can get rid of some of those lines and actually draw what the drawing would actually look like in real life.